No campfires, no forges, no candlelight, no engines. Now imagine that going back further, much further. Because without fire, there may be no us to imagine it at all. Roughly 2 million years ago, one species began to cook its food. Every other species on Earth, before and since, has eaten raw. That single habit may be the reason you're watching this at all. Before fire, our ancestors spent most of their waking hours doing one thing: chewing. Raw meat and raw plants are tough, calorie-poor, and hard to digest. Other great apes, gorillas, chimpanzees, still spend 4 to 7 hours a day just eating and chewing. Then something changed. Early hominins began exposing food to heat. Cooking breaks down muscle fiber and plant cellulose before a single bite is taken. The body no longer had to do that work internally. This wasn't just about taste. It was a caloric windfall, and biology noticed. Here's the mechanism. Digestion is expensive. In most primates, the gut alone burns a huge share of the body's daily energy. Cooked food is easier to break down, which means the gut can shrink. And when the gut needs less energy, that energy has to go somewhere else. Anthropologists have long linked the timeline of cooking to a second, more dramatic timeline: the rapid expansion of the human brain. The brain is metabolically ravenous, pound for pound, far hungrier than muscle. A smaller gut, freeing up calories, may have helped make a larger brain affordable in the first place. Without fire, that trade never happens. No surplus calories, no metabolic budget for a brain that thinks, plans, and eventually asks, what if we never discovered fire? There's a second thread too. Fire pushed back the night. Predators that once made darkness lethal could now be held at bay by light and heat. Bodies that once spent scarce energy on defense and digestion could spend it elsewhere, on smaller jaws, smaller teeth, more complex social behavior, and that expensive brain again. This isn't just an ancient story. It's a preview of every technology that followed. Fire was humanity's first energy technology, the first time a species learned to externalize a biological cost. Every invention since has followed the same pattern: outsourcing something the body used to do alone. Tools outsourced strength, writing outsourced memory, fire outsourced digestion itself. Without it, there's no forging of metal, no ceramics, no smelting, no steam engine. An unbroken chain, 7 letters long, connects a Homo erectus, cooking a root vegetable to a rocket leaving the atmosphere. So the next time you strike a match, or light a stove, or watch a candle flicker, you're not just seeing light and heat. You're looking at the reason you have the brain to notice it at all.